Hello, today I will show you how to make an NPC. So first, you need to find the corner of your map and then scale it to one stud. Okay, so now you have to get this. Copy it. Okay, now go to your NPC. Inside the NPC, go to the humanoid and add a script. Script you want to write while true loop script local pause equals to vector 3.new math.random. You want to pick a random number from the number that you got, but negative to the number that you got. Okay, so here you write 0 or any number. Okay, so here you just want to go copy this and put it here. Okay, so now script.parent dot move to parse. Okay, now wait, it will wait. So how long you want it? So I will make it math.random. How long it will walk? I will make it 1 to 120. 1 second to 2 minutes. Okay. So now if I go test it, there he is walking. That is how to make an NPC. Goodbye.